Okay, now today we do the how to make a little book. This is front page and this is back page. And we put it up together, we'll use one straight. The straight you put it in half, and on the one side go through it. This is front page. Alright, follow the front page and go through it. And hold on one side, and there's another straight go through. Okay, can you see it? Now we tie it up. You try to tie up. When you tie up, make sure that this one is on the top, right? And this tight is on the back side. And what you need to do is hold on one straight, one side of straight, and come over it, and you put in. That's it. Good. Now what I need you to do is, you will see here, right? Hold this cannot move straight. That we put it back to the hole. Put it back to the another side. Just like this. Okay, now there's a two side. Put this one go through here, and put this straight go through the same hole, so that they try to exchange. So we do first one. There. Now this one put inside too. We try to go through it. Through the hole punch. Go through the hole punch. See? So now we go to tie it again. And make sure every time we tie it up, and this little knot is on the back side. This is front side. This is back side. Tie on the back side. And what we need to do is we hold one side and we'll put it into the another punch hole. This is the bottom punch hole. Like this. Alright. And the last one, what we need to do is we tie it up. And you can tie up again. Okay, make sure it's very tight. Then, if you are not really sure, just tie one more time. So I get a straight one, straight tight. I'm pretty sure it's very tight. And now try to use the scissors and cut it down. So this is book you have. So every time this is your fresh book. Do you like it? And you can do it faster. It is. And the back side. Okay, so hope you will like it.